So in this video, I will show you how to disable TikTok post views. Make sure to watch the video to the end. First of all, after you open up your TikTok like this, now go to your profile. After you open your profile, now tap on this menu at the top right side. Now go to settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, now scroll all the way now to down, or now tap on this second option which says privacy, second option. After you open the privacy, scroll to down and tap on this section which says post view. As you can see here, is it post view? So tap on it. So after you open the post view, as you can see now here it says post view history. So as you can see now it is turned on. So now tap on it to turn it off. So now as you can see now I turn it off now. Now if I view someone TikTok video, or if I watch someone TikTok videos, he can't be able to see my profile that I view his TikTok videos or I watch his TikTok video. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.